Several countries in the world have approved the use of COVID-19 vaccine manufactured by different companies. But weeks after the approval, there are serious concerns about the slow pace of the vaccine rollout across the globe, especially in the United States, United Kingdom, and the rest of Europe. According to available data, Israel has managed to vaccinate 18.4% of its population, while the UAE has vaccinated 8.98%. But the United States and the United Kingdom, which were one of the earliest countries to fund vaccine research and sign purchase contract agreements, have lagged behind. The UK has vaccinated only 1.91% of its population, while only 1.79% of the USA population has received the jab so far. In fact, there's a growing concern in the United States about the vaccine stock piling up and states not using even half of the available stock. Many contrast the slow pace of the COVID vaccination in the US with a campaign in New York City in 1947 when 6 million people were vaccinated in just 23 days after it was hit by smallpox. In 1947, the smallpox vaccine was distributed not just out of hospitals but health department clinics, public and parochial schools, police and fire stations, community centers and union halls also. Many vaccination sites were open 24/7. By contrast, COVID vaccination so far in New York City is almost exclusively being done during business hours, with few done on weekends and almost none on holidays, says Mark D. Levine, Chair of Health Committee, New York City Council. While India, with its robust immunization setup and vast network of primary healthcare centers, is expected to do better, experts say the challenge is completely different, especially since citizens of all age groups require the vaccine, unlike other programs where only children are vaccinated.
Vaccinating adults is a whole different ball game, and what is needed is an expansion of the existing capacities. The existing capacities, if they are used only for this COVID, then we will be running into the polio and other vaccination programs that are already in place for childhood vaccination schemes. So it's important to augment the existing capacity, and both in terms of cold chain as well as in terms of reaching out to people. It's it's not so much the IT part that has to be concentrated on as is happening now.
Meanwhile, the slow vaccine rollout has stoked tension among EU states, while concerns that a separate order for Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine shots placed by Germany for itself could cut into supplies for the larger union. The Federal News Report.